If you want to add a widget to the home screen on POCO F7, all you have to do is press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen in order to go into this editing mode. Then over here at the bottom we have widgets. After that, you should be able to find some example widgets that are suggested by the Xiaomi's launcher. However, we can also go to the, let's actually try to find it. There we go. Over here we have Android widgets, which allows you to find widgets that are provided by certain apps. So over here you can pretty much find every widget that we have available. So if you want to try to, if you try to add something, then what you can do is, for example, tap on the widget in order to try to add it to the selected page. However, there is a chance that, for example, you won't have enough space. So what you can also do is press and hold your finger on the widget, and then you can just manually place it somewhere, even on a new page if needed. Press down in the top right corner in order to save the widget. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.